Get ready for Kim's Bloom+Lace technique. We're back. I'm so excited. I'm going to do another 2 resin, 2 technique, 1 glorious flower. So I am starting off with the Bloom technique, and I am using NicPro, which is a 1-to-1 resin. I mixed up a total of 50 grams of resin, and then I decanted 7 over here. I was going for 5, but you know, a little bit over, a little bit under, all good. I don't really need that much white because that center is the only part that's gonna need ink. So let me torch. Let's get the little torch. Little torch, Kim. Do a quick torch in here now that I've got those bubbles up and out. All right, here. So where was I? 50 grams of resin, decanted about 7 over here. I'm going to use 1 drop of Julie's Bloom paste. It's close enough to 10 grams, I figure. Just do 1 little drop. I'm gonna mix that up, and that's gonna be what I put in there. Yeah, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna let that just mingle for a little bit. This is gonna go on the second layer, lime, but this is gonna go on the first layer, my lemon. To have a good amount of this lemon. That's that lime green. That lemon's gonna look really good with it. So that's that. And while that ink is doing its thing, I'm gonna continue mixing this up. That's it. No more, Kim. No more. I'm gonna take this. And now we leave it. We're back for round 2. Look how good this is looking. All right, my resin is at 93. I decanted just over 10 grams. I guess I got overexcited in my pour. I have nuked my white paste so that it's nice and runny. Look at that, it's awesome. And let that drop off. And hopefully get this stirred in here and we won't have blobbies. That'd be really nice. So my white paste is High Tide Piggy paste by this little piggy. Guess I'll let that cool off a bit. And I mixed up a total of, what did I mix up? Ooh, got chunky there. I shouldn't have Wipe that off. Okay, I'm gonna wipe off my stick. Don't mind acorn. That looks pretty good. Really quite opaque. Now we pipe. So here we go. I'm excited for this one. Okay, and just go around with whatever's remaining. Oh, maybe another drop right here. Okay, perfectamundo. Then we drop this in and just whoosh. Let it whoosh out. Oh yeah, that's full. Full, full, full. Hope it doesn't overflow. I'm gonna torch just the center part. My baby torch. I'm not gonna torch the outside. That's it. And then the torch is down. Okay, let's do. So my green is lime green. So I've got lemons and limes. My citrus. And I'm doing this as far back as I can. I'm gonna go around again in between. And then a drop of yellow in the middle, or 3. And that's all you do. That's it. We're back. It's demolding time. Look how cool that is. And you can see right through to the center. Interesting on that, huh? All right. Let's get this out. I ordered another one of these molds because I've been using it so much lately. Alrighty, moment of truth. 1. You know what? Hold on, I'm gonna get a black card. Okay, I have a navy card. All right, let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's ever so faint. Ever so faint. It's gorgeous. Should have made this, the white for the bloom part, a little heavier. Interesting. But it's really cool. Look at that. Yay! Really, really liking it. I really like doing these two techniques together. Yeah. My white spread a little bit more in between the petals. And that looks pretty cool too. Backside. Front side. I love it. Let me know what you think. I'm jumping in now to have a do-over on my final comments. The more I looked at this, the more I decided this was the way to go. So initially I had said that I was a little disappointed that the petals that came out here weren't more defined. However, in looking at this again, I've decided that really that was the best outcome for this piece, because now that bloom is just concentrated for the most part in this little area here, and it creates this cool little button, while the transparency on some of the petals that are trying to reach out further doesn't hide that glorious dark green that's underneath, and you actually see more of that lace effect on this one. And because of that, it's perfect just the way it is. So that's my do-over on this one. All right, thank you so much as always for being here. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hope you'll come back and see me soon. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and then that way, when I upload another video, you'll get notification of it. All right, till next time. Bye for now.